We are back with Anker's latest and greatest compact portable power bank. This is 10,000 milliamps, 45 watt, USB-C, fast charging, and has a built-in retractable cable. A couple things about this. For those of you that haven't followed the channel and you're new here, make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe. It is the easiest way to help us out, but we are a huge fan of Anker power banks and have a number of different options over the last few years in all different sizes, shapes, and capacities. I want to do a side-by-side comparison just to show you how much smaller this new Nano power bank is compared to other models as well. So I'm going to set these off to the side just for now and open this up. And the first thing why I really like this is if you are familiar with their new design strategy, they are including now those retractable cables. It is so nice not to have to carry an additional cable with you when you go places, and it is all being built in and really just makes the experience that much better. And right off the bat, take a look at this baby. It does come in an assortment of different colors. I'll have those affiliate links up down below if you want to check that out. But that is all that is coming in the box. You have some little reading materials if you're interested, but it's a power bank. We all know how they work at this point, so let's just set that to the side and open this up. This baby right here is not only 10,000 milliamps, but one of the first small power banks here with that built-in display and that retractable cable that's a little over 2 feet long. And yeah, this thing just keeps on going. This is awesome. I can't express to you enough how much I like that. Just like with this much larger 25,000 milliamp power bank that they offer as well, that gives you that flexibility. But you can just see the size difference right here between that. And then its more direct competitor here, Anker's 10,000 Fusion power bank. As you can see, just take a look at the difference in size here. While it is a little thicker, it is much more compact. I definitely like it. Even though you are giving up the prongs for a wall outlet, I do think that this is a great addition. The screen on this is pretty generic. You get a little bit more information out of this one here. And then if you want to see something equally powerful in size, that is a 10K outlet, you do have this one that does have your Apple Watch charger built in as well. But again, the difference being here, it is not a retractable cable. This is always going to be hanging out, might get in the way, not necessarily ideal, but as you can see, does have the same type display. Aside from that, you can see them side by side here. Again, a little extra thickness, but you have that USB-C cord built in. Nice little design, USB-A port, and then another USB Type-C port. If you don't want this lanyard, kind of like what I was talking to, I don't want anything extra hanging on, take this off and you simply have that little brick. I do think that it looks great. It is going to work with Android and iPhones and anything that really charges with a USB Type-C port. 45 watt max capacity or max output. You really can't beat it. White, black, green are your colorways. There was a blue as well. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. At time of recording, there's a 15% off coupon as well, so you can get this for around 50 bucks. And I think for the value, if you're traveling around and need a quick top-up, this could be the way to go. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.